In this video, I want to show you how to delete an asset in Google Earth Engine. For one reason or the other, you may want to delete some of your assets. Maybe they are too much. So I'll show you how to do that in Google Earth Engine. To do that, come to Assets. And here you can see my asset here, Upper Benue Basin. For any reason, if I want to delete it, you can see it is a shapefile. If I want to delete it for one reason or the other, I can easily do that here. Just come to the asset, you can see it here, and click on it. Once you click on it, it will open the asset details, and you can see the preview here. So to delete it, come to this option called delete and click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this asset? If you are sure, click on delete. Once you click on delete, the asset will be deleted. If you come back here, you can see this folder is empty, but it's still showing on the interface. So what to do now is to refresh this asset. Once you refresh it, you can see that it has been totally removed from the interface and the folder is empty. So this is how to delete an asset in Google Earth Engine. Thank you for watching.